Okay, now we are supposed to carry our lesson for the purpose of record. Now, this one normally mean is a universal set, which is set under discussion. Okay, and then we can be able to have, let's say, set A. Let's say universal set here is integers between integers less than 10, integers less than 10, integers which is less than 10. Then A is a set of even numbers, and then B represents sets of odd numbers. Okay. Now, if it was a two-set problem, we are supposed only to have only set A and set B. So which means if you'll be presenting in the agar diagram, no, in Venn diagram, we'll be having a two sets like that. Now, hope everybody has that knowledge first, because the basic knowledge you're supposed to have for us to do the set two. Now, a quick one, intersection of sets. I'll ask a quick question here first. Now, Johara, let's say we have this one is less than 10. What would be the members of A? What would be members of set A? Amira? Yeah.
Members of
So
set
integers
A is even. Like
A is even numbers. So what would be the even numbers which are less than 10?
Like 2.
So we'll be having here as 2, 4, 6, 8. 10 is not included because less than 10. And then all the numbers will be 1, 3, 5, 7, and 9. Now, that one happens if only we have only two set problems. So for today, I want us to go to a 3-set problem whereby we are going to have 3 sets. Okay? 3 sets. I want you to write this question below 3-set problem. Write this question under 3-set problem. Write this question under 3-set problem. Universal set equals to write it very fast. I'll move very fast here a little bit. Even numbers, not even numbers, the set of integers less than 10, set of integers less than 10, set of integers less than 10. Now, universal set means the set under discussion. And then set A equals to the set of even numbers, and then set B equals to set of odd numbers, then set C equals to the set of prime numbers, set of prime numbers. So part A says list members of divide my screen here. List members of Roman 1 list members of Roman 1, the members of set A, list members of set A. So members of set A here are going to be members of set A is going to be only even numbers less than 10. So it will be 2, 4, 6, 8. And so 10 is not included. And then Roman 2, Roman 2 says list down the members of set B. To say list down members of set B. So the members of set B are going to be equals to members of set B equals to odd numbers. We have 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and then Roman 3, members of set C, members of set C. Now members of set C are going to be prime numbers. So 1 is not a prime number. We shall start with the 2. We have 3, 5, 7. Now 9 is not a prime number. There is an odd number in it. Is an odd number. And then Roman 4. Now that is from your set 1. You can be able to list the members. Now Roman 3 says A, get the members of A, intersection B, and then intersection C, and intersection C. A intersection B intersection C. Hadra?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, Joad. Okay, what would be the A intersection B intersection C? Now remember intersection is those members which are both in set A, set B, and set C.
I don't know.
What would be A intersection B intersection C? Now remember intersection from your set 1, you're told intersection of set, that's the set of that's the members which are in both sets A, B, and C. Now do we have the one which is appearing both A, B, and C? All of them? Hadra?
No, teacher.
No. So what do we write there? If there's no, so it is an empty set. Okay, so empty set. So since there is no set in that particular intersection, 3 of them, where this one is going to be equals to, it is a set. Okay, sorry, it has to be a curly bracket. It will be empty set. It will be empty set or a null set, presented like that. That is a null set. Then Roman 4. Sarah Noor, do for us this one. A union B, then union C. What will be the members?
I'm not sure.
You're not sure? How do we get the union of sets first? Saranur, how do we get the union of sets?
I don't know.
Okay, now union of sets, we take, let's say, union A and B. We put all members which are in A and all members which are in B. Then we arrange them in order. So intersection, we pick the one which is in both sides. For the union, we pick all of them, but we mix them together from your sets one. Okay, so A union B union C means we are going to pick all of them which are in A, in B, and in C, but we arrange them in order now. Okay.
So is it going to be 1, 2, 3,
so
4, 5, 6,
the
7, 8,
first one
9?
will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. That is the union of those three sets. Now, Roman 5, Johara, A intersection B. Do you have Johara?
Yes, teacher.
A intersection B. A intersection B.
There's nothing, teacher.
There's nothing.
Like,
So if
it's
there's nothing, we write it as
empty
empty
set.
set. Okay.
Yeah.
So empty set. There's nothing in A and in B. We write it as empty set. Now, Roman 6, Aragsan. We have Aragsan.
Yeah.
B intersection C. What would be B intersections?
3 and 5 and 7. 3, 5, and 7.
3, be 3, 5, 3, 5, and 3, 5, and 7. 3, 5, and 7. And then Roman 7, Marwa.
Yes, teacher.
Give us the last one, A intersection C. A intersection
2 and 3.
C. It is 2 and 3. 2 and 3, A intersection C. Check again.
It's 2.
A intersection C is only 2. Okay, it's only 2. Everybody write that one first before we go to part B, which says draw Venn diagram. Everyone write that one first up to there. I'll only give 1 minute to finish listing members, Roman 1, Roman 2, Roman 3, up to Roman 7, before we do this one. Venn diagram, just the same as the one you did in sets 1, but in this one, we now use 3 sets. That's the only difference. Same as, it's just same repetition with the sets 1. In sets 1, you are only representing 2 sets. In set 1, you are only representing 2 sets, but in set 2, we are using 3 sets. So we're repeating the same things, but now adding 3 sets. Can I move next? Finish? Who is here to finish part A? Okay, no one. Silence means no one. Aya. Let's go to Venn diagram now for it. How will you be able to draw a Venn diagram to represent these three of them? Venn diagram to represent the three of them. So we'll have three intersections. That one was when you're using only two sets. But now if it's three sets, we have to add another third one like that. For two set problems, we are only using like that. So let's say this is set A and this is set B. Okay. Now you are checking which members are in A and B, you present in the middle here. Now, which one are remaining in A, you put here. Which one are remaining in B, you put here. Now, let me use an example here for two set first. Let's say I want to present A and C, A union C. Now, A and C, let me change this one to C. Let's say I want to draw a Venn diagram for A and C. Let's say this is A and C. Now, we check the members which are in both A and C. A and C, which is 2. So the one which is in both, we put it in the middle here, which is A and C. And then check which members are remaining in A. We put only in A. So remaining A is 4, 6, and 8. We put here 4, 6, and 8. Of course, 2 has already been represented in the middle, which is the intersection. And then the one remaining in C, which is 3, 5, and 7. So we put here 3, 5, and 7. Now, this is what you are doing in set 1. And then after that, you are told you have to put that square, both of it. And then you put here, that is universal set. The one which remains under discussion, you put under the universal set. Now, let's go to a 3-set now problems. For a 3-set problem, same way, and then we make sure that we have a shared region among the 3 sets. The shared region among the 3 sets will be here. So I also put a square around. This one is not straight. Okay, so let me draw. Then put a square around it like that. Then you can call this one as set A, this one as set B, and this one as set C. And then whatever remain is going to be in the universal set outside there. Now, Amira, which one are we going to put here in the middle between A and B? Do we have the one which is in A, B, and C first?
No.
Okay, there's no, so which means there's nothing we're going to put. This is if in case we had 3 of them sharing, we'll have put here. So no. So let's go. Do we have N, A, and B, Johara?
Teacher?
Allah.
Do we have A and B?
No.
No. So if it's no, we don't put anything there. So let's confirm. A and B, no, that is odd and even number. Now, do we have A and C? Aragsan, A and C? The one who can put here A and C?
2.
2, so you put here 2. Okay. Do you have B and C? The one appearing both B and C?
B and C.
Yes.
Okay. B and C. Sarah Noor. B and C?
Yeah, we do.
Okay. How many are, what are those?
3, 5, and 7.
3,
5
3,
and 7.
5, and 7. So the shared one we put in the middle. Now, let's go back. What remained now? What remained in A? The one which is not shared. Sarah Mohammed.
4, 6, 8.
4, 6, and 8. B, 4, 6, and 8. B, which one's remaining in B?
1, 9.
1 and 9. Do you have anything remaining in C?
No.
No. So that's how we present it. So draw it first. Draw it first. Marwa, you finish?
No.
Okay. Draw first that one. Amira, you finish? Part B?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Who is here to finish? Part B? Silence means no one. Okay. Now, I want you to write this heading, practical now problems involving 3 sets. Then I'll be able to refresh you for a 2-set problem first. Practical problem involving a 2-set. Practical problem involving 3 sets. Practical problems involving 3 sets. Any question in presenting Venn diagram for 3 sets? Anyone with a problem or a question on how we present 3 sets? Now remember, 2 sets, only 2 circles. 3 sets now become 3 circles when it comes to aggregate Venn diagrams. Hi. Practicals, yes.
I don't understand the Venn diagram.
The Venn diagram. So
Yeah.
I go back to which part?
The last part.
The last part. Now, Amran, do you get the Venn diagram?
Yes.
Okay. Now, look at the Venn diagram. How do we present 3 sets? I'll wrap this one again first. So quick one. Who has similar problem on how to present a Venn diagram? So part A you can be able to solve. Johara?
Yes, teacher.
Part A you are okay?
Yes.
Okay, so part B, how do you present a Venn diagram? Now it was A union B union C. We said you draw 3 circles. So if it was a 2 Venn diagram, it will only be 2 like that. But since there are 3, you have to come up with 3 of them. 3 of them like that. Okay. Now let me make it to be a little bit bigger. Now will be this one. This one. Now let's say it was only A and B. The shared part is only here. Now, since there are 3 sets, we have to have 3 of them. So draw another circle, making sure that they have also a shared region. So this is a shared region between 3 of them. The one I am pointing here. So if we had any element that is in both A, B, and C, we could have placed it in this shared region here. Now, if we have a member which is in A and is in B, we only put it here. This one here. Johara, are we okay up to there?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. If we have any member which is both in A and is in C, we could have represent it here. This is the shared region here. If we have both, the one which is both in B and is in C, we could have presented it here. That is the region which is sharing between B and C. Now, since it is a Venn diagram, we must enclose it first. We must enclose it first so that that region which is enclosed is called the region for universal set, the set under discussion. Now, universal set in this case, it is integers less than 10. Integers less than 10. So integers less than 10 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, up to 9. So 10 is not included because we need only up to less than 10. Now, let's check, Johara, which members is in A and is in B from this element of A and B. Do we have a member which is appearing both in A and B?
No.
No. So remember to enclose them always. That's the mistake we have done here. Okay. Remember to enclose it like that. Now, do we have A and B? No. So which means there's no member there. Now, do we have which is B and C?
Yes, we have.
Which one are they? Which one are those?
We have 3, 5, and 7.
So we put them here, 3, 5, and 7. Okay. Now, do we have those which are in A and C?
Yeah.
Which one?
2.
2. Put there, which way is sharing. Now, do we have the one which is sharing A, B, and C? No.
No.
We don't have any in A and B and C. Now, which is now remaining? We now go back to A. Which one is only in A, which is not appearing in the shared region? Which members have remained? The one we have not used in A? Look at A.
4, 6, and 8.
4, 6, and 8. So the one remaining, we put it there. So we have 4, 6, and 8. Now, do we have the one remaining in B?
Yeah.
Which one is remaining in B?
1 and 9.
1 and 9. Okay. Do we have anything remaining in C? Anything remaining in C?
No.
No. So that's how we present it. That is how we present it. Okay. Now, should the meeting end, I'll resend again. Then you join it again. It's remaining 1 minute. So copy it first. Copy it first. Can you copy from Amran there? Because it's almost ending.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, copy question from her. The question which the heading, practical problem involving 3 sets. I'm restarting. Okay. Copy that one. Now, as you copy that 1 minute, I want you to pick this question, write it somewhere. That's what we're going to start that side. Write this question. 40 students were asked if they either visited Berbera or Jijiga. it is a 2 set, but we have to do 2 set, then we do a 3 set on it.